Hey good people, welcome and welcome back. And if you are new here, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share so that we can get to grow together. So now let's get into our cooking video. Here we have about 2 cups of wheat flour, then 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, powdered milk 2 sachets, that's yeast 1 teaspoon, then that's sugar about 2 tablespoons, oil 2 tablespoons, and 1 egg. But remember, egg is not compulsory, it's optional. So now we will get to test if our yeast is, I don't know how will I keep this, if it's still active. So I will be using warm water, go in with the yeast, and I will add the sugar, stir it a little bit, cover it and let it rest for about 5 minutes. So if it rises up, then that shows our yeast is active and good to use. Minutes are over, and I guess from this angle you can get to see how our yeast has proven to be active, and it means it's super active. So now we will start kneading the flour. After adding the rest of the ingredients, combine thoroughly your flour, then later on use warm water to knead. while kneading your dough, make sure it's not too hard nor too soft. So I kneaded mine for about 10 minutes. So I will sprinkle a little bit of oil again on top of the dough. Cover this and let it rest for about 15 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes are over. Time to check our dough, and you can see it has doubled in size. So I'll just give it a quick punch, or I don't know how will I call it, so that it can release out the air. Squeeze it together, then I will cut it out into small balls. So just to let you know, the naan bread doesn't require any good shape. You can just roll it out to any shape you need. Place it. I placed mine on my hot pan. As you can see, some bubbles started rising up. So just wait for it to rise completely, as you can see. Then flip it again on the other end. Cook it till it has turned to golden brown. Set it aside, serve, and enjoy.